Hello, my beautiful children. Good morning. How are you all? Good. I hope you are doing your maths work with full interest. So, love with maths and keep calm when you solve your questions because if you believe in yourself, anything is possible. So, with this beautiful thought, let's start our work. Today we are going to do exercise 3.6 word problems 1 to 12. So students read carefully and solve. Remember to write statement, show working and give the answer. You cannot understand the questions without reading. So you should read carefully. You won't be able to understand if you will not read. So students read carefully and write the statements. So let's start. Question first. Question with me. Preeti collected rupees 150 from each member of the book club for purchasing books. If there are 9 members, how much money did Preeti collect? So students, check it which operation you will apply here. So first try to understand the language of the question. Preeti collected rupees 150 by each members. It means one member give rupees 150. If there are 9 members, it means one value 1 is given and you find out the more than 1, then which operation you apply? Multiply. So here also you have to find out the 9 members collection. So you do this sum with the multiplication. Let's start with the statement. So check this question. Solution. First you write the, no need to write the full question. Part first, dash dash dash, then solution. Money collected by each member of book club equals to rupees 150. Money collected by 9 members of book club, rupees 150 multiply 9. You have to show the multiplication and get answer. 9 zeros are 0, 9 fives are 45, then 4 you give carry and 9 ones are 9 and add 4, then 13. So answer is rupees 1350. You have to write the answer also. I hope you have understood. You can make the statement like this way. Now check the question 2. John pays rupees 997 towards his school fee every month. Find the amount paid as fee for a year. Students, in this question, he pay fee for the 1 month 997 and you have to find out the fee for the 1 year. So first you convert the 1 year into the months. How many months in 1 year? 12 months. How many months in that way? 12 months. So you find out the money amount paid as fee for a year. It means for 12 months. Value of 1 is given and you have to find out the value of 12 months. So what will you do here? Multiply. So check this question. How will you make the statement? An year equals to 12 months. Money pays by John for every month rupees 997. Money paid as a fee for a year rupees 997 multiplied 12. Then you show that solution of multiplication and get answer. At last answer, I know you can solve that question with the multiplication yourself and get answer 11,964. Show that solution with the rupees sign. Now students, check the part 3 and read with me. If farmer plants 135 apple tree in a row, how many apple trees will be planted in 32 such rows? It means here also you have to find out with the multiplication, because in one row apple tree are given, you have to find out the number of apple tree in the 32 rows. This question, if farmer has number of apple tree in a row 135 and number of apple trees in 32 rows, 135 multiply 32, then multiply and get answer and 4320 apple trees. Your answer is 4320 apple trees. Students, you remember that concept. When value of 1 is given, you find out the more than one value. Always you apply the multiplication. Part 4 and 5 are the same, so you can do very easy. Let's start to explain question number 6. Check this question. Anu studies 2 hours every day. How many minutes does she study in a week? So students, here he given the hint also. 1 hour equals to 60 minutes and 1 week 7 days. So first you convert the minutes into the 2 hours. So 1 hour 60 minutes. So 2 hours, 2 multiply 60, 120 minutes. So you make the statement in this way. Number of minutes Anu studies every day equals to 120 minutes. Number of minutes he studies in a week 7 days. It means 120 multiply 7 and get answer. Answer is 840 minutes. Check question number 10. Read with me. A dozen pencils are packed in a box. 20 boxes are packed in a carton. How many pencils are there in 10 cartons? Students, read this question very carefully. Then you give the answer. A dozen. Dozen means 12 things. Dozen means 12 things. It means 12 pencils are packed in a box. In one box, how many pencils are packed? 12 pencils are packed. Number of pencils in a box? 12. And number of pencils in 20 boxes. First you find out the number of pencils in 20 boxes. Then 20 multiplied 12. It means equals to 240 pencils. 240 pencils. Now you have to find out the number of boxes in a carton. How many boxes are given here in the carton? 20 boxes in a carton. Because first of all you find out the pencils in the 20 boxes. Then you check number of boxes in a carton. 20 boxes in a carton. So number of pencils in a carton 240. You have got that 240 pencils in a carton. Now number of pencils in 10 cartons. It means 240 multiplied 10 and 2400. When you multiply by 10, then the 2400. So answer is 2400 pencils. I hope you have understood. So read the question very carefully. Then you solve it. Now students, read this question 11. Normally our heart beats 72 times in a minute. How many times will it beat in a day? Our heart beat in a minute. How many times? 72 times. But you have to find out the heartbeat in a day. So first of all you convert that day into the hours and hours convert into the minutes. So you find out how many minutes in a day. So check it, how will you do? Look at these students. 1 day equals to 24 hours. 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. So 1 day equals to 24 multiply 60 equals to, when you multiply then your answer will be 1440 minutes. 1 day equals to 1440 minutes. So let's start the statement. Our heart beats in a minute 72 times. Our heartbeat in a day 1440 multiply by 72. Then you get the answer how many times your heart beat in a day. 1,03,680 times. Interesting question. So let's start question 12. Read this question with me students. A plane covers distance of 1980 km to reach from place A to place B. How much distance will it cover in 2 round trips? Hint is also given here. 1 round trip between A and B means going from A to B and then coming back B to A. Students, you have to find out your distance. 1 day covered, 1 day distance, it means 2 times. Like that example, if you, when you come school and go back at home, then 2 round you take, school to home to school, school to back. So you have to convert that distance into 2 times 1980 kilometer 2 times. So how will you do? Check it. Check it. Distance covered by a plane from place A to B 1980 kilometer. Then coming back B to A 1980 kilometer again. Then total distance covered in one round. Then 3 plus both number you plus, you can multiply also by 2. Then your answer will be 3960 kilometer. It means in one round it covered the distance 3960. Distance cover in 2 rounds. Then you take 2 round, it means you multiply by 2 and get answer 7920 kilometer. Students, I hope you have understood this exercise. All problem sums, first you try to do yourself and make the statement, and then you can understand that questions. First you read that carefully, then you can understand. So have a nice day.